tutorials and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I installed and finessed this gorgeous burgundy 24-inch straight unit that I'm currently wearing. This unit is in collaboration with UNicehair company and it came in this box right here. This is their 24-inch straight 99J wig. It's a 13 by 4D parting space unit. I'm going to be showing you how I also finessed my baby hairs as well. So this is going to be a quick and easy install. I went ahead before to pin curl this unit before the installation process. So if you are interested to see how I installed and finessed this gorgeous burgundy unit, well, keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't as yet. Give this video a big thumbs up and to comment down in the comment section bar down below. So with no further ado, let's jump right into the installation process. So I'm back again with another collaboration video in partnership with UNicehair company. They were gracious enough to send me over their 99J 24-inch burgundy unit. Inside of the box I received some goodies. I received this cute little fashion earring, a pair of eyelashes, a stocking cap, and an edge brush. So a bit about this wig: it's a 24-inch 99J straight unit in the density of 150%, and the cap construction on this wig is a 13 by 4 parting space unit. So straight out of the box the hair was super soft and the hair came pre-plucked, you guys. So I really didn't have to do much plucking to this unit, and this is how the wig is looking. So a bit about the cap construction on the inside of the wig: the hair comes with 2 combs behind of the lace, one to the back, and it also comes with adjustable straps so you can adjust this wig to your particular liking. So I went ahead to bleach the knot on this wig. So let's jump right into the installation process of this 24-inch 99J unit that I received from UNicehair. So before the installation process, I went ahead to bleach the knot on this wig. I used my color capture bleaching powder and my Clairol 20 volume developer, and I just mixed that into a toothpaste consistency. So after I have the mixture together, I'm just going ahead to prep the hair by spraying some Got To Be blast free spray just to tame the wig. This is what I do for all of my wigs when I am going to bleach the knots. So this step is actually optional. You don't have to bleach your knot on your colored wig, but Toya was just being extra. So once I applied the mixture, I'm just gonna leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes, and once it starts to foam, as you guys can see, it's time to wash out the mixture. And let's jump right into the installation. This is the wig. They sent me over their 24-inch 99J burgundy hair, so I went ahead to pin curl the hair. So this is how we install it. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just tint the lace per usual with my black opal foundation. So I'm just going to continue to tint the lace on this wig using my black opal foundation in the shade Carob. So after I'm done, I'm just gonna try the wig and position it how I want it to be laid, and I'm just gonna cut off the extra lace around my ear tabs area, and then I'm cutting down the hair into 4 smaller sections. I went ahead with some powder just to dot where I'm going to lay this install. So today the glue that I'm going to be using is my Bold Told active glue, and I went ahead to do 2 layers of this glue today. I'm just gonna blend that out with the end of my razor comb per usual, and just use my blow dryer until it's tacky just to set everything. So after that, I'm just gonna push the lace into the glue and go back over that with my blow dryer. And if any glue is showing, you guys, what I like to do, I go back in with my black opal foundation in the shade Carob. So I'm just gonna go ahead to start to melt the lace on this wig. So after about 30 minutes, this is how the lace is looking. So I'm just going ahead to start to cut off the extra lace to the front portion, you guys. And so far the hair is giving what it needs to give. So I'm going in with my scissors just to cut off the extra lace to the front. And what I normally do, I cut in a jagged motion. So you guys, what I'm gonna do now is just set all the areas with my free spray and just pat it over. So what I like to do, I like to pat my blast free spray onto the lace using my fingers so that it wouldn't be messy once spraying it. So I'm just going in with my blow dryer, and once everything is set, it's time for me to work on my baby hairs. So I'm just going to be doing a minimalistic amount of baby hairs today. So I am just parting out some hair to the front portion, in which I'm going to be using to create my baby hairs. So once I have parted the front portion of hair that I'm going to use to create my baby hairs, I'm just going to pin the rest of the hair back, and then I'm going in with my shears just to cut down the hair a bit. And today what I'm going to be using to lay my baby hairs is my holy grail, my got to be ultra glued. So I'm just going to start to finesse my baby hairs, and I'm just swooping it in the direction in which I want it to go. So I'm just going to go back and forth with my shears just to cut down the hair to my liking. What I like to do, I like to cut the hair not so short, so if I have to go back in to clean up any sort of hair, I just use my shears to do that, and I'm just swooping the hair in the direction in which I want to. With baby hairs, you have to finesse it to your liking, and it takes a lot of time and practice to get it to how you actually want it. So I'm just gonna continue to finesse my baby hairs in the direction I want it to go. So once that is done and I'm satisfied with how my baby hairs are swooped, I'm just gonna go back in with my shears, and then I'm going over that with my got to be blast free spray just to set everything in place. So once that is done, I'm going in again with my blow dryer just to set everything in place. So I'm just gonna continue to finesse my baby hairs. I'm just gonna be doing some sideburns on this burgundy unit. So I'm just parting out a small portion of hair. I'm pinning back up the rest portion that I'm not going to be using so that the curls could set in the meanwhile, and I'm just gonna use my shears just to cut that down and go back in with my got to be ultra glued just to continue to finesse my edges. So I'm just gonna continue to work on that until I have everything laid the way I want it to. So once I'm finished with the left side, I'm going to continue to finesse my baby hairs. I'm just going in with my got to be ultra glued per usual, back and forth with my shears, and I'm just perfecting my baby hairs the way I want it to, just by swooping it in the direction in which I am satisfied with. So I'm just gonna continue to finesse my baby hairs until I have them the way I want it, and after that I'm going in with my got to be blast free spray just to set everything, and over that with my blow dryer, and I'm just gonna melt the lace a little bit more by using my elastic band just to melt it. And then after, I'm just gonna go in and give the top portion of the hair some curls. So I'm going in with my Deville curling wand just to curl the top portion. So to finish up the look, I'm just going to define the parting space on this wig with my Black Radiance True Contour powder just to give the parting space a precise look, and then I go in with my ISO Plus hairspray just to finish off the entire look together. And this is the end result of my 99J straight unit install, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So you guys, this is the end result of my 99J 24-inch straight unit from UNicehair. So a bit about this wig. This is their Unice 99J straight wig, and it's a 13x4 parting space burgundy lace frontal, and I got it in 24 inches. So it retails for $320.31 on their UNicehair website, so you can go and check them out if you are interested in purchasing this unit. The color on this unit is super gorgeous, you guys. It's a definite must-have for the holiday season, and I did just a minimalistic amount of baby hair. So they have this unit in shorter lengths as well if you are interested in purchasing this unit. The shortest length that they have is 14 inches and the longest length that they have is 24 inches. So the color on this unit is really nice, you guys. Like, I really love burgundy hair, and it's just giving what it needs to be giving. So thank you so much for watching, and until next time, see you in my next install video. And always remember to put God first in everything that you do.